I'm going to be installing a MERV13 filter on my Zoneline inverter variable speed, variable CFM makeup air PTAC. I'm going to do this because I want the air that I'm bringing in and discharging into the interior space is filtered and ready to be conditioned. This is an RAA13Z filter, and to install it, I'm simply going to access the door here where the filter is housed, remove the cover, set it aside, and I'm going to install my filter. It should have a directional arrow which points to the front of the PTAC to indicate the airflow pattern. And if it doesn't, you're going to use the wire structured side, or the side that has the wire on the filter, going towards the front of the PTAC. So I'll just install my filter and replace my access cover door, pushing it and making sure it's locked into place. Now I can adjust the CFM level of my makeup air unit. It's adjustable for anywhere between 30 and 50 CFM to get the exact amount of makeup air that's dedicated for the room space that it's going into. It's as simple as that.